we have a haul today. It's been a while. All right, look at the cute little drink containers that I found. I love these. It also has that bottle cap topper to it that's very similar to the summer collection that I showed you guys for 2019 in that video. I have like a two-parter summer collection of Dollar Tree stuff, so if you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it down below. Go look at those cups and just so they can see a comparison. But I love this. I love how it's clear here, but then there's the color at the bottom and it matches the lid and the straw. The straw is huge, you guys. I mean, obviously because of the depth of the water bottle. I can't talk ever. Here is a red, and then these two colors. Really fun. These were the only colors that I found. I love these. I instantly want to bring these on vacation because I feel like you can put so much, you know, a lot of liquid in here, whatever you're drinking, lemonade, you know, you're spiking it with something, whatever it is that you're doing, as long as you're not driving. All right, then I found a huge box of Lucky Charms. I don't normally buy food at Dollar Tree. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And this is Lucky Charms. It is a name brand cereal. And I have hauled name brand cereals, but they've been in those really small packs. But this is a huge box. Probably ended up at Dollar Tree because it's the St. Patty's Day collection. But you guys, the expiration date is 2020. So for $1, this is definitely a steal. So if you are into Lucky Charms and you like yourself a bowl of cereal, this is where it's at. All right, let's take a look at some of the 4th of July decor. I have been hauling it in pieces here and there. So unfortunately, I don't know that I'm gonna do like one whole haul that's dedicated just to 4th of July products and decor. So I've been hauling it in pieces if you don't watch every single one of my Dollar Tree hauls. I got 2 more additional things. I have to say, this felt garland is everything. I am so surprised. This is definitely, I feel like you guys are a little high. Hold on, sorry. Mid-sentence and, okay, there we go. I have never seen this felt garland before. Stores definitely do things different. Somebody may comment and say this was at my store last year. I do not remember this at my store last year. It's beautiful, and it even shows you how the star felt color patterns go. This is going to be gorgeous. Drape in your entryway table, your fireplace, lots of DIY options for this as well. I think I got 2 packages of this because I knew I was gonna wanna do this on my fireplace and probably in my entryway or something like that. And then I got the 3-pack of the patriotic flags. I thought that these would be really cute just for me to like just stake into the ground like a tree bed, flower bed kind of thing in my yard for the occasion. I may end up picking up some more, but I'm really surprised that you get 3 in here for $1. I found some of the cutest little decors, ceramic decors. How adorable is this? I'm not really into these little like succulent type things, but this one had the pink, which kind of made me feel like it had a little bow at the top of its head, but just probably a flower, yeah, growing out of the top. I only saw these 2 styles. Comment and let me know if there's like an additional shape, but really well done. It's just very, very well done. I feel like this is just such cute decor for $1. It's really shocking. Here's that second package. All right, I picked this up. I couldn't help myself because at first I was like, girl, what are you doing? Why are you buying that? But also I'm collecting toys and stuff for a donation at the end of the year. But when I saw this, I just thought of how fun it would be to share this with my niece, and I could make these little mermaid hats and she could put one on her head, she can put one on my head. And so I just love having a little girl to like play with. She's just so adorable. And look at the different colors. What? Love. Also great for mermaid themed party. So scoop these up if you need to plan in advance, or if you know you're gonna do some type of mermaid thing, even if maybe it's next year, scoop them up because you never know if they're gonna be at Dollar Tree at that time. All right, I picked up some pins. I'm always watching for new pins to come in through Dollar Tree. The problem with their pins is they're typically a 0.7 in the style and smoothness of the pin. And I like 1.0 and up. Actually, I like 2.0. So I was really shocked that Dollar Tree put these out with 1.0. That means they write a lot smoother than the 0.7. And I was shocked. There's like 10 in here. And I think the ink is the color of the pen. So if this turns out to be a great pen and it writes really well and there's a lot of good ink in there, I think this is gonna be amazing for planners and bullet journaling. All right, these are the 2 stickers that I found. You know I love me some stickers. Honestly, it's getting to a point where I don't even know if I've hauled these before or not, but I liked them so much when I saw them, I said, I don't mind if I end up having doubles or triples of these. I love the little farm style here, a little barn, and then you have a little circus of the little baby animals. This was really interesting. It just stuck out to me. It's inspirational quotes and it's a 2019 calendar. And it includes a fold-out stand and it has 183 inspiring quotes. So something that you could definitely take with you to work or put in your office, your home office, or your she shed or whatnot. And it just has inspirational quotes for you. It even tells you who you can follow on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Oh, I found these pencils. I'm not a pencil person, but these really stuck out to me as well. It's by Papermate and it is 1.3 millimeters. I think that's what that stands for. And it's your typical number 2 style pencil. So if your kid has to take tests, I think STAR test and all those things, I think it requires a number 2 pencil. And it says it's a number 2 pencil. It's easy to hold, no need to sharpen, less breakage because of the thickness of the lead. And it's great for standardized tests. So it says that all on here, and look at the colors that you get. Look at the erasers. A lot thicker. I remember having the smaller pencils. I mean, I would get indents in my middle finger from where the pen was resting. But anyway, just wanted to tell you guys that I found this. Nothing new, some sponges. You know I love me some Dollar Tree socks, and they put out some new adorable patterns for women. These are little kitties. You can see that. No show. And then you have a second pair, all for $1, so 50 cents each. I love this pair, love that. And then look at these adorable raccoons. Always reminds me of the Great Outdoors when they're going through the trash. It's hilarious. Yeah, so love those. All right, guys, if you have not seen this, I hope you're sitting down, but look at this decor that I found at Dollar Tree. There's a third one. It's a different shape as well. It's hard to show them all. What? And it has like that wood. It is wood. It's real wood. And then there's a pattern on the back. It's like a little shadow box. There's no method to hang these with, but you could easily add something if you wanted to. Here is this background. And this one. So many DIY potentials here. Thumbs up if you want me to do something with these and show you guys some options of how to style these and use these. I was shocked. I was really shocked. I was like, all right then. Dollar Tree is definitely giving us some amazing DIY platforms from their products. Just, yes. I also picked up some toothpicks. This is just for graduation party. Was gonna do Mexican food, now we're changing it and we're doing basically like finger foods. So I figured definitely gonna come in handy. All right, we've got some repeat items. I just had to when I first hauled these natural loofah exfoliating soap bars. I was so shocked and I knew immediately I wanted to go get more. I just knew immediately. And that's exactly what I did. So I got the orange and the pina colada, orange creamsicle, pina colada. I found some more nameplates and some of them are hilarious, but what I also love about these is that you can actually take out what they provided and you have your own little nameplate that you can customize yourself. So if you're not really digging this, take it out. Got a lot of DIY potential here. So this one says, it does not play well with others. And girl boss. I'm not really a fan of this term. And I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. And then I literally can't today, and it just fell out because I guess the sign can't literally today either. But this one's gold, just so you can see these are all silver and this one was on gold. Just so that you can see that one. Look at what I found at Dollar Tree. Garnier whole blends. It is like a samples of their whole blend style. Replenishes moisture to dry hair, blended with olive oil and olive leaf extracts. Is that what it says? Yeah. What, for $1? That's amazing. Like, I think that's a pretty great price for, I mean, it is samples at the end of the day, but looks like a lot. I don't know how many uses you get out of each little thing. Maybe it's just one use per package, but tells you exactly how to use the product, and it's Garnier. That's crazy. We've been seeing L'Oreal and all kinds of brands at Dollar Tree lately, and now Garnier. So makes me very excited to see like what else is gonna come next. And I found some new adorable notebooks. I assume there's more styles out available, but these were the only two that I found. And they're definitely for a younger crowd. Look at this little, and it has like a laminated cover kind of, and then it's just blank on the inside. So not really like a typical journal style, something maybe you would doodle in or write quick notes or something. This one says Girl Power. I found some more of these little adorable clipboards that Dollar Tree always puts out. They're like little mini clipboards, but it has sticky notes in it. Alright, I found the cutest puzzle, but it's 48 pieces, so obviously for a smaller child. But I had to share it because I'm going to end up donating this because I feel like it's just for smaller children. What? Look how cute she is. I wish it wouldn't focus on my face. There we go. Look at their outfits. Look at her glasses. Here it is, just so that you can see them all together. Love this. It is the cutest little puzzle that I have seen. All right, here's another shocker. As if everything that I haven't shown you hasn't been surprising for $1. Die cuts. Have you ever seen die cuts at Dollar Tree, ever? I personally have not. You get 32 die cuts, and as you can see, the labels, they're garden label at all of the gorgeous butterfly die cuts, and there's even like metallics to it, foil to it. Stunning. I only found these 3 colors. What? Dollar Tree. Yes to die cuts. Give us more though. And not just in the garden section, give us die cuts in the planner section, in the office supply section. They are definitely trending on the right path with this. All right, I also got some travel bottles. I'm gonna be traveling soon, and I just thought maybe those would work for me. And I also picked up some soap. I actually picked up also the little one with the pump, and then I picked up the refill, but I already put the pump one in my kitchen, so I got the refill. And, oh, I found some new push pens. I felt like these were worth mentioning because they have little hooks. So I think I'm gonna have to take it out so that you can see it. They may have come in other colors, but here is the little style. How cute is that? You can put it on a bulletin board or wherever you would put your push pen. You could hang stuff off of it. You know, like ribbons, or you want to display your kids like achievements and ribbons or whatnot, you could definitely hang those, just hair bows, whatnot. What does she say in 16 Candles? Life is not whatnot. It's hilarious. When I said whatnot, it reminds me of her saying that to Farmer Ted in the bus. All right. I found this at Dollar Tree. So this is a deep pore cleansing facial brush and massager. It's hard to tell. There we go, this is a better view. So you can see that the brush goes into this little clip to kind of, I guess, keep it sanitized so that the brush isn't just touching and laying around other stuff. It's handheld. I don't think it's battery operated at all. You definitely have to manually use this. But the fact that they have this at Dollar Tree, I don't know where this came from. I don't know who Spa to You is. This says Spa to You. I don't know what brand that is. If you do, let us know. I feel like a lot of you know about every product I show you. You're just so knowledgeable, but I have no idea who this is. But I think this is great for traveling. This is why I thought of it instantly, because I thought, do I really want to pack my Vanity Planet Clarisonic style, all of that, you know, or this is perfect to travel. Throw this in, takes up less space, and it was $1.